Hey there, the brand sent over this adjustable workbench. It has a power strip on it so you can actually run power to the bench, and it's currently upside down because I want to show you some things on it before we flip it over and see how it looks. So here's the box that it came in. As you can see, there's a ton of foam packing it, and on the legs they were actually packed in this, so they were wrapped up to prevent any damage. So everything you need for assembly comes in the package. So you have the instructions, your screws, nuts, and washers, and there were a couple extras, and then your tools. There's a couple wrenches and an Allen wrench. I will say the instructions were not as intricate as I would have liked. I would have liked to have seen like numbers on what screws getting used where when you put it into the table. I do like that it told me how many of each thing, but there's 4 nuts that go in here that are kind of needed, but it didn't tell me that. So I really wish instructions would have been a little better. So we're still upside down, but basically everything on the bottom here is assembled. You have to assemble the legs to the adjustable leg portion, which is here, and then you have to put the feet on. These screws all get held with a washer and a nut over here. So you've got 3 screws that go in each corner here on all 4 sides, and then you have 2 screws here that go into the legs, and then of course these are adjustable, so all that would have to be done is these would come out, you would adjust the height to what you needed, and then put them back in. This adjusts as well if you needed to, because the screws are about this long on the feet. So on this side of the bench, once it's upright, you have your power strip here that has 4 outlets. There's your power switch here, and then you also have 2 USB ports over here. Here's a look at the actual workbench. It is 48 inches across. So you've got 2 large drawers. There's one with some stuff in it, just to see some reference. So here are my final thoughts on this tool bench. I like the fact that it has 2 nice deep drawers in it. The power strip on the side built right in, so I can plug in multiple things at once. Even my phone, if it needs to be charged, I really like that in it, that they thought of not only electricity, but also devices like cell phones and even batteries that need to be charged by USB. The adjustable height makes it good because you can go up or down as needed for whatever suits your needs. It is pretty sturdy. The actual package itself weighs about 85 pounds. So take that into account, but it is something that is going to be large when it's delivered. Setup was not difficult, but it could have been a little bit easier with better written directions. Not a lot of pieces that go with it, but you still need to know where all the screws and bolts go. I do think it's sturdy once it's put together, so that's really nice. I like the metal and wood design of it, and it gives me plenty of room on top to work and even a little bit of storage underneath because it's so open. Guys, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.